is not right. Look how disgusting I am.
Okay, Sophie's been painting this wall over here today. And we're gonna feature her and her dirty legs and dirty fingernails on this 1993, is it a 3? 1993 Harley-Davidson. It's brand new. It's got less than 30 miles on it. The odometer does say 73,899, but the bike's brand new. And Sophie's gonna get on it and start it up. She's so excited. She's actually not excited because she's filthy dirty.
Yeah, I am.
She's all dirty from painting that wall today.
Stop.
Oh, check this out. That is a $150,000 Land Rover Defender. But we do have this Harley-Davidson over here. That's a cool one. And we do have that Honda 70 right there. But this is what we're featuring today. So it has this really cool paint scheme. It's a military United States Marine Corps themed bike. There's a bunch of you that have been asking questions about whether it's an FXR-S or if it's just a FXR. And here is the VIN. They restored the bike. I had to grind this off to see the VIN, and we noticed an E was not an F, or an F was an E. We had the Department of Motor Vehicles change the title. Some of you say that's positive, negative. All I know is this bike's freaking gorgeous, and whoever's gonna get it's gonna get an amazing bike. The attention to detail, the chrome, everything, it's all brand new. Every nut, bolt, everything on this entire bike is brand new. I don't know anything about these, so I can't tell you anything other than it looks nice.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Very pretty, yeah.
She's hiding her hands and her fingernails right now because they're disgusting because she's been painting that wall. Okay, hop on and let's fire it up.
Okay. Been a few years.
Right? Well, at least you don't have to do your test drive.
Okay.
So, we'll turn the key on. We turn the fuel on. Key is on. Oh, look at that. And this is the start button. So you'll turn this, actually flip this down, and then fire it up.
I don't have to touch anything? Feel like
Pull the clutch in just to make sure it's not in gear. Over here, this. Yeah, pull that in all the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Now
ready?
hit the button, do it. See if it starts up.
A bit more gas?
Oh, there's a choke.
Oh,
Here.
there's a choke.
Yep. We're rookies at this. This is our first Harley-Davidson. This is our first motorcycle video. Should I feature your dirty legs?
Stop!
Okay, do it. Just give it a little gas.
Yeah.
Try it again. There we go. Do it again. Just a tad. Go ahead. Do it again. Nice. We'll get it. Go. Okay. Start all over. Start it up again. All right, Sophie's going to start it back up again. It's warmed up. Go ahead. How much?
I don't know.
No reserve.
No reserve. It's a beautiful bike.
Our shortest video ever. All right, we'll see you pretty soon. Bye, everybody.